Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create fields in Notifyy. Go to Settings and open the Fields module. Fields help you store and manage different types of information in your CRM, such as name, phone number, date of birth, or any custom details specific to your business. To create a new field, click on Create Field. To begin, enter the field name in the field label. Select the object where the field should be added, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Then choose a collection to organize your field under a specific collection and click Continue to proceed. Next, choose the appropriate field type based on the kind of data you want to capture. You can select from options like text, number, date, dropdown, and more. Each field type is designed to store specific types of data accurately and efficiently. For example, the single-line text field is used to capture simple inputs like names, cities, or short descriptions. You can also apply validations to control how data is entered. Basic rules can be applied, or you can use regex patterns to restrict the format of the input. For instance, you can allow only alphabets for a name field, or enforce a specific format for values like email or phone number. Once the details are configured, click Continue to proceed. Before finalizing, you can preview how the field will appear in the form or interface. This helps ensure the field is correctly configured and aligned with your requirements. After creating a field, it will appear in the Fields list. This is where you can view all available fields and manage them in one place. Collections help you organize related fields together, making your forms and data structure more clear and structured. You can create a new collection to group fields based on your business needs or use cases. Collections can be edited or deleted any time to keep your field structure clean and well organized. If required, you can edit a field at any time to update its details or configuration. You can export all fields for backup purposes or external use whenever required. You can also move fields from one collection to another, allowing you to reorganize your data whenever needed. When you try to make a field inactive, the system first checks where the field is being used. If the field is used in table views, forms, segments, or templates, a usage pop-up will be displayed. You must remove the field from all usages before making it inactive. Once a field is made inactive, it will be moved to the inactive section for further actions. From the inactive section, you can either restore the field or permanently delete it if it is no longer needed. With the Fields module, you can fully customize your CRM and organize your data in a way that fits your business perfectly. Thanks for watching.